guys, it's Asriel here. Today I'm gonna show you what's the inside of the hardcore mode. So today we're making this video for the rest of you who is new that so let's go. So first up we're gonna go over here. Oh, there's someone with the star. Nice. I'm gonna show you what's inside of hardcore mode. It's not like you have any lives, like it's not like you have anything to problem with because it's very easy. For me it's very easy, for you guys it's very hard. But you need to get this gun if you want to survive hardcore mode. I'm talking about this gun. Talking about this gun, guys. I'm gonna teach you how to get this gun, and let's go. So basically, you know, souls. It's okay if you die, you don't lose it. If you die, this is not hard for me if I have that. There's so many killers, I just died. I'm just bad. Anyways, let me show you how to get that. Let's do this. Let me show you how to get that. First, we need to go over here. We need to go over here. Then over here. We go over here. As you can see, it's currently a dark place. There. We're gonna go ahead and follow me. And there's so we go over here. Until you see that white bunting, divine cause bad. So there we go. We've completed it. Hella OP. So I'm good. I need to reload this thing because you need it. How you get it? I can go with you guys if you need to get the weapon. Holy, how did he get there, bro? How did he get there? Nah, that's crazy. That's crazy, it's trick, man. How did he get there, bro? Let me just equip. I'm so shocked right now. How the hell did he get there? I'm in shock. You just need to run. By the way, this Hopefully we'll see. Not if we get target place, we're good. So we'll do this. How this continues, but you need to win. I'm so scared right now if he gets to me. If he gets to me, I'm cooked. I'm cooked, crap, I'm oh my god. The final boss. It has healed. Bro, it has healed. Bro, it doesn't work. Is my shots not working or something? You're free. I need to get it. There we go. Bro, help me. I don't know. Cook. Yes. Yo, do something. He's gonna regen, bro. Here we go. I've killed him. Please be the final boss, bro. Alright, it's the final boss. So we clearly get the reward. We cannot obtain this your time limited to 2 minutes. So you have 2 minutes only to claim this reward. After you claim it, you touch this and you come back over here. So that's it to get the divine quest done. So, I can keep making videos. Goodbye.